some of you are struggling to get real data for your project, so use ChatGPT to help us building that. So or you can type it, the text. You can type it to make it doesn't need the quotations at the beginning and the end. And this is going to make a Python code. So you scroll down all to the bottom, is creating 3 variables, as you can see here, and a target variable that I'm going to use for making a logistic regression. So you copy it here, and then we go and I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to go for documents here, and I'm going to say new Python file, and I'm going to run the code. The code will make a data set and for me, and also a model. So if I put it here and I run this, it's creating a data frame with the name data, not df. Sometimes it comes as df. This is the data frame. So we can export the data frame to a CSV, so we can see it. So in my case, my application here, you can see it's banking synthetic data.csv. And if I go here, now I could have the banking synthetic data here, and you can see here I have age, salary, gender, and loan payment. Loan payment would be a binary variable. It's basically what we have requested ChatGPT to create. So and then we have a model. So the model is in here. We basically, you can, by using from job lib import dump, we can dump the model, and we say dump model, comma, and the name of the model. So I'm gonna say banking synthetic data model dot job lib. And if this is gonna fail because I put it badly, the name here, it should be model. And now I should have a model there. If I refresh this, a model, banking synthetic data model job lib. And this is the original one. So if I go now and create a new one, let's say this would be your application. Inside your application, what do? You have other videos that tell you what to do on that site, but what we need here is that basically you do from job lib import load, and then you say model equals to load, and then the name of the variable, the name of the model. The name of the model is this one, and it's obviously quotation here. And the same way ChatGPT created this data thing here, we can create for a new data import pandas as PD. And if we say, I don't know, age 10, salary 100,000, gender, need to check the values there that is creating 0 and 1 for gender. So let's say 1. And obviously I don't need the target. And here I put the curly brackets at the end. And then I'm going to create, this is my X variable, just to make sure. It's very important that we have the X on the same order. So I'm going to even create an X variable here, selecting what I need. And then I have the model. So what I can do is I can use my model for prediction. This is regression model, so it predicted the class 0. But if I want to predict the probability, I say predict underscore and I get probability. This is the probability of 0, and this is the probability of 1. In my case, I'm actually interested in the probability of 1. So what I do is I get all the rows and column 1. So this is the probability I'm actually interested. So if I want to print this or return this, I would say, in my case, it's probability of default equals to this value, and I say format, and I get that guy there. Well, basically this one, and I think this will do. Probability of default 0.39, 39%. So this is how you would implement the model.